gentlemen, I don't know what we did to deserve such an easy part, but if you've had a late Saturday night and you got to be at church on Sunday morning pretty early, this is the song you want in your set list because our part is so easy, which will give your coffee plenty of time to kick in. Okay, so on the choruses, we're just going to sing Behold Him, and Hosanna, Hosanna. And we'll always start on the A flat, okay? Behold Him, 3, 4. Behold Him, behold Him. 2, 3. Hosanna, Hosanna. And that's our part, okay? So we don't sing on the first chorus. We'll sing on the second chorus, the double choruses, and then there's another round of double choruses at the end. And every time we'll sing that part, and then we'll let the ladies take the harmony part for the other spaces, okay? There is one little line I want to point out. It's real tiny, it's real quick. The last line leading into the last set of choruses, it goes, "Oh Jesus Christ, the hope of glory." So 3, 4. Oh Jesus Christ, the hope of glory, behold. And we're into the choruses, okay? So that's really the only other harmony part we have outside of the choruses, and that's a give or take because it's one line, so you may not even want to do it. The worship leader may be like, you know what, you guys just lay out and come in on the chorus, keep it easy. But if you do want to sing, that line has been recorded, so you have that now in your tool bag. So if you have any questions, which I doubt you do, but you can watch this lesson as often as you need to, listen to the demo, listen to the master track, but be sure to worship while you practice.